This is Pudge the Fudge, R and P, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a tiny bird. To make the tiny bird, you will need 3 flick footballs, and I will make only the one, and yeah, so fold the top to the bottom. I'm not a very good folder. And then make a little crease up the top, like this. Then fold it again. Top to the bottom. Then fold it like that. And then you'll come with that. And then you can turn it. Oh, I'll draw a line for you. So, as you can see there, and then just fold it across like that. And then you fold it up. So, like that. Then fold it that way. So, like that. And then turn around, like flap it over this. Then tuck it in to the little pocket. And I'll just get a light. Okay, here we go. Now fold that over there. So over that bit. And then wrap it around there. So it looks a bit like this. Then you can fold that bit across onto that. Then tuck that into the pocket. Like that. And then like this. Then wrap it around like a wave or circular position. Then tuck that in. Wait. Then you've got 1 flick football, but you need 3 to make one of these. Yeah, so how you do that, how you put this in, there's little flaps there. This is the body. Then like that. And then put the head in. Like this. Okay, that's all for this video. And I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.